Hello everyone, I'm here today to teach you guys how to barbecue, and I'm going to start off with the basics. There's two different types of barbecuing. There's barbecuing on a charcoal grill and there's barbecuing on a gas grill. I prefer actually to barbecue on a charcoal grill. It adds more flavor, and to barbecue on a charcoal grill you have to have charcoal lighter fluid and charcoal. I actually don't have any charcoal over here, but we'll do without it for now. This is my charcoal grill. Um, First off, what you're going to do is you're going to put coals down underneath this grill part in the middle, and you're going to soak them with this lighter fluid, and you let those soak for about 10 or 15 minutes to get them good soaking, and then you're going to go ahead and light them after about 15 minutes. You're going to let them pretty much cook until the flame is gone, and then once that happens you can go ahead and close it for a little bit and let it smoke out. Make sure you get all of the lighter fluid fumes out of there, and what I do is I actually scrub the grill after it gets really hot. Make sure we get all that old grease and all that nastiness off of it. But after that goes ahead, you can go ahead and throw your meat on. Chicken, pork, beef, steaks, stuff like that, hamburgers. They all take different times, so you have to watch while you're cooking. Make sure that you're not burning any of the food. Pork takes almost just as long as beef does, probably a little less. Beef actually doesn't take long at all. Chicken's the one that takes the longest. Chicken takes about an hour and 15 minutes. But say for chicken, when you throw chicken on the grill, if it has bones in it, you want to make sure the bone side is downwards, because if you put it on the skin side, that's whenever you start burning the chicken and all that good stuff. You want to make sure that the heat is going up through the chicken and not into it and burning it. Now steaks, for instance, you want to cook on each side for about 10 minutes. Get them good and medium. It just depends on how you like your steak. There's three or four different types of ways you can cook your steak. This right here is actually a smoker. Use that kind of stuff for sausage and boudin. Just depends on what you like to throw in here and smoke. You could use wood chips on a grill like this. What I do with the wood chips is I actually put them in foil and sit them on top of the coals. That way you don't just throw them on the coals, because if you do that, that's whenever you burn the wood chips, and that's not really what you want to do. You want to cook them really slow and smoke it. That way the smoke goes through the barbecue pit and seeps into the meat and gets you that good flavor of whatever kind of chips you have, mesquite or any of that good stuff. But I mean, basically, you will cook your meat for as long as you need to. This piece at the top right here is your vent. It just depends on if you're smoking or not. If you want to smoke the meat that you're cooking, you can go ahead and close this, but usually you want to leave a good little crack in it. This right here at the top is a temperature gauge. You want to make sure that it doesn't get too hot. Usually it doesn't. It usually gets to about 300, which is a good temperature to cook at when you're barbecuing. Charcoal grill is the way to go. Actually, I'll go ahead and describe to you how a gas grill works. Gas grills use butane, and it cooks a lot faster than charcoal does. But that you just have to watch your meat, more than often than a charcoal grill whenever you're cooking with a gas grill. But for the sake of barbecuing, that's basically what you need to know.